Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Myself Lalit, and I am professionally pharmacist, and I have done later on BSc. So, guys, this is my first video for class 9 on the chapter of rigid protein and ecosystem. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about what is ecosystem, what are the type of living organisms on the basis of nutrition, and also we are going to understand what is food chain and food web. So, let's start, guys. So where we are living, guys. So this is our planet called as Earth, correct? So Earth is made up of two types of components. So we are going to discuss about that. So one type of component have life in them. So we are living things. We have life. We can grow. We can reproduce. We can sense. Correct. So we will discuss few different types of living organisms. So plants, correct? Plants do have life. Animals do have life. So these are called as living or a biotic component. So हम इनको क्या बोलेंगे? Living और biotic component. जो भी living organism है, जो भी component है जिसके अंदर life है, so we are going to say that component is biotic. It have life, so we can call them as living organism. So other type कौन सा होगा? So the other type of component they do not have life in them. So उनके पास जो है वो जीवन वो life नहीं रहेगी, correct? So what are the types? So air के पास कुछ life है, no, water, soil, and last is light. So these are called as non-living things and also a biotic component. A biotic component मतलब they do not have life in that. So guys, we have discussed both biotic and abiotic, or we can also call living things and non-living things. So we have discussed about both. So living में जिसके पास भी life है, they are called as biotic, and जिसके पास life नहीं है, so they are called as abiotic. Correct. So guys, अब हम आगे के टॉपिक पे जा रहे हैं. So there is a continuous interaction between both of these. So biotic and abiotic component में continuous interaction है. Let's see the few examples. So first example is, guys, seed. So seed is what? It is a biotic, correct? It has life, it germinates. But germination के लिए उसको क्या required है? An abiotic factor which is called as soil. So आप जैसे देख ही रहे होंगे. So seed is growing under what? वो soil के अंदर से ही grow होगा, correct? So seed is a biotic germinate in the soil which is an abiotic. So this is an example of interaction, correct? Next example देखते हैं, guys. Next example हमारे human beings. So we are biotic. We breathe oxygen, we breathe in air, correct? So air is what? It is abiotic, correct? And we gives out oxygen. So we are again giving to non-living things, which is an abiotic. Next example है, guys. आपने सबने देखा होगा sunflower. So sunflower क्या है? एक biotic component है which moves in the direction of light. डायरेक्शन ऑफ सनलाइट, जहाँ जहाँ सन जाएगा वहाँ पर सनफ्लावर का जो हेड है, जो फ्लावर है, वो उस तरफ मूव होगा. सो दिस इज एन इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन बायोटिक एंड अबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स. तो लास्ट जो है गाइस वो है द लोटस. लोटस इज अबायोटिक, ठीक है? सो जैसे इसके ऊपर सनलाइट आती है, सो इट स्टार्ट टू ग्रो. वो धीरे धीरे ग्रो करने लगेगा, मतलब जो फ्लावर है वो खिल जाएगा in the presence of light, and light is what? It is a abiotic, correct guys? So the living biotic, non-living abiotic, and the interaction are called as ecosystem. आपको समझ गया होगा इकोसिस्टम क्या है? इकोसिस्टम कुछ नहीं है, इकोसिस्टम है interaction of abiotic and biotic component. It is called as ecosystem.